Patrick here. I'm at the Big Bear Fun Run, and this is awards morning. This is when everybody gets the trophies, and these are our winners. They have 70 cars at one, and it's a hell of a day. Look at this interior, 69 Camaro, Rally Sport. It's got a Hearst. 4-speed. Yeah, baby. Beautiful. And look at this motley crew here. Good morning, everybody.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Look at this Mustang. She's a sweetheart. Pony interior. 65. Look at that. Wow. Very sweet. This is the Franken-T. I've just coined it the Franken-T. You told us a great story about your car. I'm shooting right now for YouTube, and tell us a little bit about it, because I really love the story. The fenders, the cab, all the work you've done.
Well, the body's actually a 25 Model T, or what they called a TT truck body.
Okay.
And they were usually used for flatbeds or tanker trucks, you know, back in the day. And they set way high, even higher than this is. And my idea was to put it on a lower chassis. And so I had a 15 center door, and I had two sets of front fenders, and these are 09 to 12 front fenders. And then the rear fenders are 23 coupe fenders that we modified with the inner skirts to fit.
You know, it's such an unusual build, and you've got this great toy on the front. Of course, the first thing I had to do was spin the prop. Couldn't help myself. You know, and what kind of toy was this again?
It's a Hubley.
A Hubley.
Yeah, it's a kid's toy from 1928.
Well, I got to tell you, man, and you got the Gilmore sticker on here. It's just got a lot of goodness going on, and it's probably one of the most unique vehicles here. I don't know how it is to drive.
Well,
but,
it drives real good, but it's a little straight up and down inside.
Yes. I was going to say, you're sitting pretty vertical.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's nothing like this here at the show. So
it has 64 Jaguar XKE positive traction rear end. Of course, it's been all modified too.
It'll evaporate.
Look at that.
You should go in there and
Exhaust.
actually literally get water on your hands. Yeah.
Crazy. Well, what a beautiful truck, and thank you for spending the time. What was your name again?
Larry.
Larry, nice to meet you. I'm Patrick, PCTV.
Nice to meet you,
Thank
Patrick.
sir. Some of the really cool people that you meet here. 65 El Camino. They're going to be doing the awards here pretty soon. A little LS action here. Hog Wild. Yeah, it's from the 90s. Paintwork graphics.
Yeah, this one I couldn't
Here's the
figure out
interior.
a place to put the freezer, and so I ended up putting it right there.
Definitely got a theme going here.
That's right.
But yeah, exceptional. Here's the car that beat me for best VW. He thought that I was going to beat him, and he got it, and he's got a beautiful notch. His name's Mike. He's local here to Big Bear.
We got a year on it. It's 347 that I bought.
Had a lot going on. Ooh, Jeanberg shifter, that did it right there.
302 that was in.
Such a rare car though. Beautiful car. 49 Willys here. I like this. I was looking at this yesterday. Of course the Roadrunner took it. I believe this what? 71? 69. 69. We got Bill plate on here. Yeah, Roadrunner. Got a look at the interior in here. Gorgeous. And it's a 4-speed. We got about 15 minutes before the award starts. And the taco truck got me last night, so had to take a run out. My buddy won the best special interest vehicle. Say hello to the poop box. The Chanel 36. 333 muffler. There you go. All right, let's keep rolling here. Gotta go fast. Little Austin one. Now this Cadillac one is probably the only Cadillac here. Not really, I think, trophy worthy, but you know, is it a? It's a 49. Okay. Beautiful interior though. Exterior needs a little help. Overall, very nice. Good looking there. Okay. Nice 56. Very sanitary. This coupe here. Horizontal grill's a 38. Help me on that one. 56. We got to roll fast. Oh, nice Clint one. Well, Clint's got himself an amazing Woody here. This Ford is just crazy. Beautiful. Nice 67 Chevelle. Probably best convertible. Not sure about the Nova. Got a nice little Woody here. Deluxe Chevy out of Montebello. And the Helms Bakery hot rod is a winner as well. He used to drag race this thing at Pomona and stuff. Really killer. All right, let's go back over to the other side here. This is one I didn't shoot yesterday. The 63 has been around for a long time. This paint job is from the 60s, so he's never changed it. A $500,000 car. But he's left the original hippie metal flake on it. Look at the sun hit this thing. Pretty crazy. Intro wheel. Yeah, could be a little bit later restoration than what I'm thinking. T-Bird. So hard to say which one's going to win best convertible here. Nice T-Bird. Cowboys. 56.
37's not here.
Absolutely beautiful.
That guy over there is actually
Yeah.
he goes behind
Another 57 here. So these are all the winners at Big Bear Fun Run. I missed a trophy by one car. I spoke with the winner, very deserving. I showed him earlier in the notch. He thought my car should have won, and I can understand why his did. So, hey, all's fair in love and war, right? Beautiful little truck here. I believe it's a 32. Here's that Shelby, rare car. Well, I don't know about a rare, but expensive car. There was a Daytona copy here, and we're going to see that in a minute. It's 32, 5 window. Here's that factory 5 Daytona copy. Pretty cool, man. So we got this here. A lot going on here. We got this Jag. This Jag got a big block in it. Ms. Penny. Now look at this little 32 Roadster. You know, I know they're old man cars, but they're beautiful. I still love them. I love the lines of the car. They sit decent. You can halfway fit in them. They drive nice. You know, they're all right. Met this guy yesterday at the restaurant. You see he's an Uber. Drives this daily. He's got the water bag we were talking about, the Desert brand water bag. And he was at the restaurant yesterday where we were, 2 days ago. But yeah, he's a local guy here. Got his doggy with him. And he drives us all over the place. So he's this is a daily. Still the dog here in the back. Got 2 horns on it. Wooga horn. I know he wouldn't mind. 63. Impala convertible. Might have won best Impala. Chevy convertible black. Beautiful red interior. Look at this dash. Just so classic, the Impala look, you know. I've owned several of them in my life. 65, 64, 62s. Love them. We have here another award winner. What are these? 50 spoke? Good guys. Show winner. Beautiful Ford. Man, this thing is pristine. Wow. You know, it's not a hot rod, but it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. This looks like something that Bill Harris would own. So, all right. These are your winners. Well, we have more actually down here. Work our way down. Hupmobile to Auburn. I don't know if it's a copy, but it's a winner. It's an Auburn. The award's going to start here in about 4 minutes. Here's Debbie's dad's. This is Deb's 50. She drives a yellow Olds 50. This was her father's. He passed away, so she's honoring her dad. Nice little Highboy 5 window here. Love this. Chevy, I believe. No, nice Chevy. This crew cab's out of control. Such a nice guy. I'm sure he won pickup or foreign. Oh, I know this, man. Great Pantera here. Been seeing this one. He was here last year, and it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. Let's take a look in here. Sweet, huh? Yeah, baby. Okay, so we're just about done. Hit the end of the row here. This Dodge panel, part of the old forts. Another nice Woody here.
Oh yeah.
Very sweet. And then my friend Barbara Whittington, excuse me, Barbara. And this is the Blue Phoenix. Formerly, it was just built by Skip Davis. Skip passed away about, 6 years ago. We lost Skip, and Barbara bought the car from the family. And she's really done Skip a lot of honor. She ran this in the quarter mile at Irwindale before it closed. So she did a full run.
Oh really?
Beautiful little roadster here. Look at this one here. Gorgeous. Nice flame job on this Chevy. We have a lay down here. It's a 38. Full custom interior. Beautiful dash. Sweet stuff. Okay, it's about time to get over the awards. Another great 57. A lot of Tri-5s winning today. Love this Marauder. I see them all over the place. I see them at so many different shows. Nice Bel Air Nomad here. And lastly, we got a 69 El Camino. SS 396 badge, rally stripes. Got all the right stuff on it. This is beautiful. All right, well, that just about does it for me here, PCTV. Gotta get a look inside here, and we're gonna run over the awards. Nice. That's a 428 Thunderbird. How rare is that? All right, thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you on the channel.